Does your life feel out of balance? Are you feeling stressed? Overwhelmed? We all do. Because we're living out of balance. Now imagine a life in harmony with nature, closer to the Creator, aligned with your DNA. Welcome to Konos, a conscious eco-community in Western North Carolina. It's not a commune, it's a community of health-conscious men, women, and families who believe we should put more into the earth than we take, who believe our faces are beautiful, who believe our most cherished birthright is the right to choose what goes in our body, who believe that Mother Nature and God are our greatest healers and teachers. Entrepreneurs, yogis, doctors, lawyers, artists, healers, families. Pristine mountain spring water on every home site. Sustainable green power. Community gardens. Fun social events. With a tribe of high-vibrating, conscious, high-morality people who have your back. Community is wealth. Join us at konoscommunity.com.